In this video, we are going to work on evaluating trig functions with a calculator. When it's a nice sine, cosine, or tangent, you just plug it in. All you have to do is make sure your calculator is in radians. I have an app that looks like a TI 83 or 84, but I'm going to show you how to plug these in. You got to be a bit careful. So this thing is equal to 1 over cosecant goes with sine. So when I'm plugging this, I already checked to see if my calculator was in radians. I said to be very careful about how I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to do 1 divided by, and you have to open a set of parentheses, sine of 5 pi divided by 7. And then we push enter. I like to write down every one of my decimals, and then I do whatever the program wants me to do when it comes to reducing. So that's how we do that. I'm going to do one other just to make sure that we are solid. Cotangent. Cotangent is actually 1 over tangent. I wouldn't want to do the other. I don't want to do cosine over sine here because I'd have to plug in more. But I have that it's equal to that. So I just have to be very careful. 1 divided by, start a set of parentheses, tangent of negative pi, over 8. Click enter. And I get negative 2.414,213,562,37. Let me rewrite that because it's pretty bad. So it's negative 2.562,37. Cool. And that's a round, right? We are cutting it off. So really, I guess we need to have approximation symbols here because we are cutting them off. But that's how we plug them in. You can't plug in cosecant or secant or cotangent. The buttons don't exist, but you just have to manipulate it using the identities.